How do everybody? This is Mama,
This is Pappa.
and yeah, just to talk about a little ride that we took. Mama was replaced.
I've been replaced. And
Yes.
it wasn't just any ride, it was a joyride.
Yes, just the joyride. We decided that if Mama isn't healthy enough to go riding, then I took my daughter, Lily Sue. She turned 9, and I mean, she's been riding on the bike since she was about 4 or 5.
Yeah.
We just were much more careful at that point in time, you know, had the straps and everything to hold them on when they were little, but I mean, they love it. And
When Papa says they, he's talking about Lily Sue and Kale, her brother, who's just a year older than her.
yeah, so they just had their birthdays about a month ago, and
Yes.
yeah, so that was nice.
So
Rain,
then-
the eldest, has been riding with me.
10 years now.
No, I haven't had the bike for that long. For about 8 years. He's been riding with me for
8
about
years,
8 years,
yes.
yeah. So, I mean, Lily Sue and Kale is, you know, they're new to the biking thing, but they love it. Lily Sue absolutely adores it. She loves the open road. She loves to go onto the highway and, you know, doing longer distances. Kale, not necessarily. He prefers shorter jaunts. He gets bored very quickly.
Yes.
Like we mentioned, they've got the Asperger's, so you know we have to sort of how can I do it?
Accommodate that.
Accommodate their whims.
Accommodate.
Their whims. But Lily Sue loves it, so she's loving it. So we've got some photos. Unfortunately, I didn't put the camera on for the ride.
No.
Because I mean, the only way I can have the camera is when it's pointing forward, and I wasn't quite sure if I was willing to have her hold the camera to do the thing. Scared it might fall and all of that. I mean, that's a bit of a problem, and so that's a bit of a problem. So we've got some videos here. Here's us pulling up to where we basically went for a ride, and we rode for about an hour.
Yes.
And then we met Mama and the rest of the kids at a McDonald's just for like a snack, just to have some fun. And then on the way home, they basically followed us and they took some snaps of us. So
Well, I was driving, so Rain took photographs.
yeah, he took photographs. So this was me. And before anybody gives me any hassles because I don't have a jacket on, when I ride with the kids, I prefer not to have a jacket on because then I can feel what they're doing. You know, just safety-wise for them. It's not very safe for me.
Yes.
It's safety-wise for them.
So
That
I'm-
unfortunately has to change.
I'm going to interrupt quickly because I need to speak to Kale. Kale, can you put your video off for a moment, please? We're doing a recording. Thank you.
And here's a photo of Lily Sue giving a big thumbs up to her mom. She's having a whale of a time. And her waving there. As you can see, she's got her jacket on, helmet, jeans, you know, as much gear as we can for them, just so that they're all right. And just waving. And I mean, she's just having a whale of a time. You can see she's not even holding on that much. She's sitting against the backrest,
Yes.
Mama's new seat, that Lily Sue has now actually utilized more than what Mama has.
That is true.
And yeah, we're just having
Off
a
they
good
go.
old time.
There's the boys.
They also had, well, they had a good time. I mean, they went to
Yes.
McDonald's.
Yes, and
So-
we were gallivanting in the car
Yeah.
behind Papa and Lily Sue, so it was fun.
This was just us getting close to the house.
We haven't experimented a lot with videoing, following someone in the car. We haven't experimented with taking photographs while following someone. So I'm driving and Rain sort of hanging out the car, trying to take pictures, taking pictures through the windshield. So it's a bit of a blurry, unprofessional
This way,
mess at the moment.
Yeah.
Becky?
I mean, we're still working on
Oh,
it.
thank you, my love.
We're still working
Yes,
on it.
I'm sure we'll get better at this.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, definitely we'll get better. I mean, it's, like you said, this is for fun. This isn't
Yes.
for anything else. This is just for, you know, mixing and matching with the family. This was actually the third ride that me and Lily Sue did together. The first ride was
For this year.
yeah, this year. So, well, in the past while. I don't think, yeah, earlier the year we didn't actually go riding. So, yeah, because this was three sort of on top of each other. The first ride I had to take her to a doctor's appointment, and it was in the time that Mama's working, and I mean we've just got the one car, so I had to use the bike. And she loved it so much that we said, okay, we're going to do it again, and we did it again. And then this ride was the longer ride. The other ride was just quick, short jaunts. This was quite a long ride. I mean, we did about, not a lot. I mean, it was about 70 kilometers or so. But I mean, we can't start her out with too much as well.
No.
I mean, she's not going to do an Iron Butt run with me just
Not yet, not yet.
But I'm sure she'll be able to do it in a while.
But one thing we did notice about Lily Sue, she's very much her father's daughter. It's a happy place. When she climbed off, she had the biggest smile on her face.
Oh, yes.
It makes her happy.
Yes.
She finds a lot of joy in riding with Pappa. And, I mean, they did it after that again.
Yes.
Just to, I don't know, recharge their spirits.
Yeah. That helmet time.
Yes.
She definitely gets on with the helmet time.
Yes. Very much.
Yeah.
And didn't you have a little bit of a video as well?
That was very short, it's like 2 seconds long.
Oh,
That's
okay.
like 2 seconds long, so I'm not even going to put that in.
Oh, okay.
It's just this part where we're going around the...
Oh, okay.
So
well, next time we'll try better, take some more video.
Yes.
We must learn to ride together because you are prone to riding away from us. And whoop, there you go. And we're like still scrambling with the phones because we're videoing with the phones.
Yeah.
I don't think we had the GoPro with
No, you
us.
didn't have the GoPro.
We just had the phones.
Yeah.
So when we looked again, Papa and Lily were gone, and we're like, now what?
Yeah, and the problem is, I mean, they get stuck in traffic where we don't.
Yes.
But, yeah, we'll do that. So that's just a quick update, just a short little jaunt about how Mama got replaced. But luckily not on a permanent basis. She's feeling better every day, so hopefully shortly it will be Mama and Papa rides, and not just Mama and Papa rides, but Papa's actually the riding one and Mama's just doing the voiceover, so we'll sort that out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and
Yes, thank you for watching.
yeah, let us know if there's anything that you want to see in the country. We can go and
Yes.
I'm sure I can organize a weekend trip, you know, if it's down in the Karoo, you know, so
Leave a comment if there's something you want to see.
yeah. Okay, guys. Have fun. Cheers.
See you. Bye.
Bye.